In this video, I'll guide you through how to customize your Microsoft Bookings page by creating a new meeting type. We'll walk through naming your meeting, setting the duration, deciding whether it should be a Teams meeting, and then saving everything so it's ready for your clients or colleagues to use. First, make sure you're on your Microsoft Bookings calendar and signed in to the correct account. Look for the area where your meeting types or services are listed. This is usually a section that shows existing options like initial consultations, follow-up calls, or internal meetings. Here you'll see a plus sign, often displayed as a small plus or a button that says Add New or New Meeting Type. Go ahead and click the plus sign to create a new meeting type. This is the starting point for customizing the kind of appointment you want people to book with you. As soon as you click it, you should see a form or panel open up where you can define all the details for this new meeting option. Now it's time to give your meeting type a name. Choose something clear and descriptive like 30-min sync, project check-in, or intro call. The name is what your invitees will see when they go to book time with you, so make sure it's easy to understand and tells them exactly what to expect. If you use this for different audiences, you might want to keep the language simple and professional so it works in a variety of situations. Next, set the duration for the meeting. This is how long the appointment will last on your calendar. For example, you might choose 15, 30, or 60 minutes depending on the purpose of the meeting. Think about how much time you realistically need to cover the topic without running over. If this is a quick sync, 30 minutes might be perfect. If it's a more in-depth review, you may want to choose a longer duration. Remember that the duration you set here will automatically block that amount of time on your calendar whenever someone books this meeting type. After you've named your meeting and chosen the duration, decide whether you want it to be a Microsoft Teams meeting. Look for the option labeled Teams Meeting and toggle it to On if you want a video link to be created automatically. When this is turned on, each booking will generate a unique Teams meeting link that is included in the calendar invite. This is ideal for remote calls, virtual consultations, or any meeting where participants aren't in the same place. If you prefer in-person meetings, phone calls, or you already have another platform for video, you can leave this toggle off. In that case, you might include location details or instructions elsewhere in your booking settings, but for now, it's enough to simply leave the Teams meeting option disabled. Once you're happy with the name, duration, and Teams meeting setting, the final step is to save your changes. Click the Save button. This confirms your new meeting type and adds it to your Microsoft Bookings page. After saving, your new option should appear alongside your other meeting types, ready for people to select when they schedule time with you. And that's it. You've customized your Microsoft Bookings page by adding a new meeting type, complete with a clear name, a set duration, and an optional Teams video link.